Today we will go through 10 in-one question of TTC test number 6 from question 16 to question 25. Question 16, Kevin noted that each parent circle in a diagram is the product of two circles directly under it. And we have an example here. We are asked to find the product of A and B. First, to find A, we take 180 divided by 15. We have 12, and we find B by take 15 divided by 5. We have 3, and we find the product of A and B. We take 12 multiply 3. We have the correct answer is option C. Many category is part empty for 303 fortunate algebra number pattern number sets. We come to question number 17. We have 3 types of juice: orange, apple, and giraffe. And we are asked to find the quantity of container D, which is the combination of A, B, and C. First, we have A is 160, so 1/8 of the orange E 12 E 20, and we have apple E 340, so a half of apple E 170, and we find the CEAD, so 1/4 of CE 20, and we find the quantity of container D. I take the A plus B and plus C. We have 210 millimeters. Common category EMT1 511 measurement and data geometric operation volume. And question number 18, we have a fish mosaic below, and the artist will replace the blue shape with the green triangle, and we are asked to find the difference between the total number of edges of all triangle and total number of edges of all the laterals in the design. First, we will find the number of each shape in the fish. We have 6 orange square, 6 green triangle, 3 red trapezium, and 8 parallelograms. And so we have the number here, and we will replace the blue shape with the blue parallelogram with the green triangle. So we will replace a parallelogram with a green triangle. And now we will find the total number of edges of all triangles. We take the number of original triangle E6 for the triangle that we have just replaced with the blue parallelogram E8. We have 14, and we find the one triangle will have 3 edges. So we multiply by 3 when we have 42. After the change, we will find the total number size of variolaterals. We have square and trapezium. It will have 4 edges, so we will multiply 6 square and 3 trapezium with 4 edges, and we find the total of edges E 36, and we find the difference by take 42 minus 36 equals 6. The correct answer is option C. Common category is MT6 301 space and geometric operation to the shape. And we come to question 19. We have 3 puzzles follow the same rule. We are asked to find the number will reflect the question mark. We look at the 2 first puzzles. We have the middle number is the is the difference between the product of the two number on the left side and the two number on the right side. We can test on the first puzzle. You can see that 2 multiplied 8, 9 is 18, and two right side number is 5 and 3. The product is 15, and we find the difference by 18 minus 15 equal 3. And this rule is true for the second puzzle. So we will apply for the third puzzle. We have the left product in 14 multiplied by 8. We have 112. And the left numbers is 9 multiplied by 12. We have 108. So the difference is 4. And the correct answer is option B. Common category MT2 114 number arithmetic operation multiplication. We come to the question 20. We have the grid here and we are asked to find the row with each T currently located. So that's the original position is at row 1, and it will move 5 square to the north. So 1, 2, 3, 5 here. Next is 4 square to the east. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And next is the 3 square to the south. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally is 1 square to the west. So the final position is at row 3. Correct answer is option A. Common category EMT1 for 1 measurement in data interpretation, coordinate and maths. I come to question 21. We have this diagram and we are asked to find the sum of x, y, and z. So first we find x, y, take 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then we subtract 19. We have the x is minus 13, and we have y. We take 36 divided by 2 and add 12. We have y is 30. Then we find yes, e take 36 divided by 4 and multiply by 2. Then we have yes is 18. So we find the sum by take all the value of x, y, and yes together is 35. The correct answer is option D. Common category MT6201 Space and Geometry Data Interpretation Diagram. And I will come to question number 22. We will have the question, the missing number A and B here, and we find the with the option following each row. So first we find A by take the combination of the left side number, subtract the right side number is 71, and we find A is 58, and we find B by take the difference of the left side number, float the right side number is 40. So we have B is 139. Then we will compare A and B. So A is 58 and B is 129. So B will larger than A. We choose correct answer B. Common category EMT2 104 number arithmetic operation determine unknowns. I come to question 23. We have the number line here and we find which of the following statement is true. So first we will look, when we look at the number line, we can see that from 12 to 24 we have 3 intervals. So each interval we will take the difference between 12 and 40 and 24 divided by 3. We have each interval equal 4 units, and A we have 5 interval. we so A here we will take the for float for multiply 2 because they are two interval between 24 and 8. So we have a 32. B, we continue with the same rule. We have B 52, C 68, and we will test the option and find only option D is correct. So the correct answer is D. Common category MT2 121 number arithmetic operations fraction. I come to question 24. In a arithmetic sequence, the first term is and a common difference is D. The third term is 15 and the sixth term is 27. What is the ninth term of the sequence? We can find the root of the certain n term equal first term plus n minus 1 and multiply the common difference. So we can find that the third term is a because the third term we call a float 3 minus 1 equal 2 and multiply the common difference d. So the third term is 15 and we apply for the sixth term is 27 and we will take the sixth term minus the third term. So we will find d equal 4 and we substitute d to the third term to find the first term. So we can find the a will equal 7 and we apply this rule for the ninth term and we have ninth term e 39 which you see common category and simple 302 pattern algebra number pattern number sequence. We come to the last question 25. Daniel had to do the work before he start his school project, and we will find the latest time Daniel should start with his project. And Daniel need to be at his friend house at 4:15, so we will subtract 4:15 from the time that the bus takes is 32 minutes, and we find the time Daniel have to be at the bus stop, and then we will subtract next the in time we will take this time, and next we will subtract for the time to change clothes and pack. We will have the time, and finally we will find the time to finish the school project is to 59 p.m. So we choose a common category MT1 A0 for measurement in data unit and measures time. So I finished present 10 questions. Anyone have any questions? If no question, I will end the meeting here. Thank you for listening.